If you're ready, tell them I'm ready. The Uganda People's Defense Forces would like to extend its heartfelt appreciation to all Ugandans for exercising their democratic rights with calmness and peace during the recent elections. Your discipline and commitment to maintaining harmony have once again demonstrated the strength of our nation's unity. As we look ahead, we urge all citizens to continue upholding this spirit of peace and order in the forthcoming elections. The UPDF, in support of all the other security organs, would wish to guarantee continued peace and stability through the election period and after. We also call upon Ugandans to actively participate in the remaining electoral processes, particularly in choosing their local leaders. These are the local council leaders, because these leaders play a very critical role in service delivery and directly impact on the well-being of our communities. Together, let us safeguard the peace we have built and ensure that every election strengthens our democracy and enhances service delivery for all, for God. We call upon all our citizens to turn up in large numbers to vote their leaders. On our part, as the security, we would like to assure all Ugandans that peace is guaranteed. There are a number of patrols that are visible along all the streets and even deep in the villages to ensure that the process of election is done peacefully. And so therefore we wish to guarantee to all our people that they should not be scared in any way, should not be intimidated in any way. They should go and turn up in large numbers and vote calmly as they did before. And of course, we still insist you vote and you go home like we did. Thank you all for Ugandans for having adhered to that call that we had made earlier. And let's please continue to do the same.